Connor, what are you eating?
Food.
What kind of food? That's a funny way to eat. Would you like to eat with your fork?
Cheese.
You're eating cheese?
Cheese.
And what else?
Cheese. Cheese.
What are these?
Apples.
And what's in your bowl?
Apple.
What's in your bowl that you're eating right now? Is it pasta?
Chicken.
How'd you get so cute, Connor? How'd you get so cute?
Too far away. Too far away. Table.
Your table's too far away. How many apples do you have?
Bye.
Can you count your apples?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. No.
Who are you saying no to? Who are you saying no to? Is that good? Is that pasta good?
Yeah.
It's good. What's your favorite thing to eat?
Fried.
Fries? Oh no,
Fried.
that's not a good answer. Can you say that you love to eat fruit and vegetables? So that I have that on camera. Can you say I love vegetables?
Apple milk.
You love milk? Okay, well that'll do. Do you love vegetables?
Mananoni. Mananoni.
Do you love fruit? What's Otis doing?
Eat Connor.
He's eating Connor?
Yeah.
Does he want to eat your food? What are you looking at? What's outside? Do you see something outside?
There's another around.
Are you going to pick that up with your fork? Did you help pick those apples?
Yeah.
Oops. Where did we go to? Who did you pick the apples with? Did you pick them with Madeline and Clara? Are they delicious? Oh, that's a big bite. Can you chew it? Are you all done? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.